citizens of heaven. You, a mother with virginal honor, being chaste in many in your holy bosom, the court of your heart, for heaven's Lord. Thence was born Christ, God in the flesh. He whom all the world adores with veneration, to whom now every knee is rightly bent. With your help we implore from him the joys of light, with all darkness dispelled.